Hi guys, welcome to New Hampshire, to Garrison Park, like a son of the Garrison. Tower over there with amazing views. We're just gonna go climb to check it out. Such an incredible structure. And here is what they do to protect tower from thunderstorm lightning. Here is metal structure of Garrison Park Tower. Built simple and very strong. There is a view from down, and we also have a marine trainings right there. Future Marines. You can hear them. Here is a beautiful New Hampshire. It's southern part of New Hampshire. That it's mostly flat. The upper side of New Hampshire, all over next to Vermont, have big mountains. Mount Washington, very tall. 6,000 feet. Yeah. And I can see downtown of Dover right there with the churches, tall buildings. At Garrison Park they also have a trail, hiking trail right there. Let's go take a look what's that. Hey guys, I'm enjoying beautiful forest in New Hampshire, right down the trail after the watchtower for the forest fire. So guys, the trails ends like a quarter miles or like a half a miles, and it ends in where is the houses, and I can hear the street over there. So it's very short trail. I'm not gonna go there because I respect the privacy of the houses. I climbed up the hill all the way up and found the tower, 5G tower, telephone tower, internet, whatever. It says Verizon Wireless. Telephone towers. I love these white trees. It reminds me where I was growing up, in nature like this, similar to New Hampshire. Covered picnic tables. And remember those Marines that was training there? Now they're on the top of the tower. They on the top of the world, thinking about protecting this country. Go Marines! So here is a cute table like that. Just watch your head, because it was made for the kids, I guess.